Hello, hi everyone. Welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're gonna discuss about the updates of Odoo 19, that is setting up of cover image for Todo in Odoo 19. So let's dive into the Todo module. From here, you can find the Todos that is created. So here you can see under the stage this week we can find a Todo called change left screen cable. So I just want to set a cover image for this Todo, where you can find the three dots over here. You can just choose the drop down menu, and from there you can find the set cover image. So this will direct you to open the file, and you can choose the the file from where you can choose the image. So I just need to set the image as save the image, save the date. So let me search for it. And once it's been set, you can see that we have set the cover image for the Todo. So this is one of the new updates you can find under Odoo 19. If you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.